A murder trial is underway for a man charged with shooting and killing his wife.
Raymond Lazarine agrees that he killed his wife, Deborah, but he says he was sleepwalking when he did it. Channel 2 senior reporter Phil Archer joining us live in downtown, where the couple's son took the stand today. Phil?
Yeah, it's a unique defense, and one, as best we can tell, has never been argued in a Harris County courtroom before. Lazarine's attorneys contend that he did the shooting while he was sleepwalking, and that he thought he was dreaming about the killing. Lazarine's son, Nathan, testified that on the afternoon of December 18, 2013, he received an urgent phone call from his father asking him to leave work and come to his parents' home. His father told him he'd had a dream that he'd shot his wife. When Nathan Lazarine got to the house, he found his mother, Deborah, lying lifeless on the living room floor. She'd been shot 6 times with a 9mm pistol, including twice in the head and once in the back. His attorneys say Raymond Lazarine didn't know he was killing his wife, even though he pulled the trigger multiple times. That at the time of the shooting, Lazarine was fast asleep.
He was suffering from a medical condition, and we are going to have experts, and the experts have looked at it, and they're of the opinion that it's a sleep disorder, and he wasn't aware of what he was doing.
Lazarine and his wife have been married for 35 years. Lazarine built and ran a successful electrical contracting business, and it had no serious brushes with the law. But his son testified that Lazarine had been under a psychiatrist's care for more than a decade, and that he regularly mixed prescription pills with alcohol. At the time of the shooting, Raymond Lazarine told police he'd been taking prescription medication that day and felt like he was in a dream. Lazarine faces up to life in prison if he's convicted. Testimony in the case resumes tomorrow. Reporting live at the Harris County Criminal Justice Center, I'm Phil Archer, KPRC Channel 2 News.